In the dynamic world of project management, seamless communication and efficient information sharing are paramount. Basecamp, a popular project management platform, offers a centralized hub for teams to collaborate, track progress, and manage resources. A fundamental aspect of this collaboration involves the ability to share and access crucial documents. This video will walk you through the process of uploading documents to Basecamp, ensuring that even those new to the platform can confidently manage their project files. As a project management expert, I understand the critical role well-organized documentation plays in project success. Basecamp's file management system is designed to be intuitive, allowing teams to keep all relevant materials readily available. This video will break down the various methods for uploading documents, explain where these files are stored, and offer best practices to optimize your document management within Basecamp. Understanding the importance of centralized document management. Before diving into the how-to, let's briefly touch upon the why. Ineffective document management can lead to a host of project-related woes. Lost information. When documents are scattered across emails, personal drives, or various cloud services, finding the right file at the right time becomes a frustrating and time-consuming task. Version control issues. Multiple team members working on different versions of the same document can lead to confusion, errors, and rework. Communication breakdown. Lack of easy access to essential documents can hinder communication and decision-making. Reduced productivity. Time spent searching for files or resolving version conflicts directly impacts team productivity. Security risks. Storing sensitive project information in unsecured locations can expose it to potential breaches. Basecamp addresses these challenges by providing a central, organized repository for all project-related documents. This ensures that everyone on the team has access to the latest information, fostering transparency and collaboration. Navigating the Basecamp interface, where to upload. Basecamp organizes projects into individual projects. Within each project, you'll find various tools designed for different aspects of project management. The primary location for uploading and managing documents is the aptly named Docs and Files section. To access the Docs and Files section within a specific project, log in to your Basecamp account. Navigate to the desired project. You can usually find a list of your projects on the main dashboard. Once inside the project, look for the Docs and Files tab or link in the main navigation menu. It's typically located alongside other tools like Messages, To-Dos, Schedule, etc. Click on Docs and Files. This will take you to the central document management area for that specific project. Multiple ways to upload your documents. Basecamp offers several convenient ways to upload your documents, catering to different workflows and preferences. 1. Drag and drop. This is often the quickest and most intuitive method. Open the Docs and Files section of your project. Locate the files you want to upload on your computer. This could be in your File Explorer, Windows, or Finder Mac. Click and drag the selected files directly into the designated area within the Docs and Files section. You'll usually see a visual cue indicating that you can drop your files there, e.g., a dashed outline or a message like "Drop files here." Basecamp will automatically begin uploading the files. You'll typically see a progress bar for each file being uploaded. 2. Using the New button. This method provides more control over the upload process and allows you to add descriptions. Navigate to the Docs and Files section. Click on the +New button usually located in the upper right corner of the Docs and Files page. From the drop-down menu, select Upload File. This will open a file selection window. Browse your computer to locate the files you want to upload. Select the files and click Open or Choose. You'll be presented with a dialog box where you can add a title for the document, optional, but highly recommended for clarity. Write a description of the document, optional, but helpful for providing context. Choose which campfire, chat room, to announce the new file in, optional. This is a great way to notify relevant team members about the uploaded document. Click the Upload button to complete the process. 3. Emailing documents to Basecamp. This is a convenient option for quickly sharing documents directly from your email without needing to log in to Basecamp first. Each Basecamp project has a unique email address for file uploads. You can find this email address within the Docs and Files section. Look for a link or button that says something like Email Files to this project or an envelope icon. Copy this unique email address. Compose a new email in your email client. Address the email to the Basecamp project's unique email address. Attach the documents you want to upload to the email. The subject line of the email will become the title of the uploaded file in Basecamp. You can edit this later if needed. The body of the email will be added as a description to the uploaded file. Optional. Send the email. Basecamp will automatically process the email and upload the attached files to the Docs and Files section of the corresponding project. 4. Linking external files, Google Docs, Dropbox, etc. Basecamp also allows you to link to files stored in other cloud services. This is useful if you're already heavily invested in platforms like Google Workspace or Dropbox. Navigate to the Docs and Files section. Click on the plus New button. From the drop-down menu, select Link a File. Choose the service where your file is stored, e.g., Google Doc, Box, Dropbox, OneDrive. You'll be prompted to authorize Basecamp to access your files on that service, if you haven't done so before. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant access. Browse or search for the file you want to link. Select the file and click Save or Link. Understanding file storage and organization in Basecamp. Once your documents are uploaded, they reside within the Docs and Files section of the specific project. Basecamp provides several ways to organize these files. Folders. You can create folders within Docs and Files to categorize your documents logically, e.g., meeting minutes, design assets, project plans. To create a new folder, click the plus New button and select New Folder. Give your folder a descriptive name. You can then drag and drop existing files into these folders. File naming conventions. Establishing clear and consistent file naming conventions is crucial for easy identification and retrieval. Include relevant information in the file name, such as the document type, version number, and date, e.g., project_plan_V3_20250414.docs. Descriptions. Adding detailed descriptions to your files provides context and helps team members understand the purpose and content of the document without having to open it.